The secret to grow the world's longest hair and no canes. Wonderful! Lately there has been a growing interest in natural beauty products, such as the use of honey, coconut oil and olive oil, replacing conventional hair care. While using less chemical treatments to maintain the health of our hair and skin, the search for natural alternatives has led us to find the beauty pack in the remote region of Asia, where women have long hair and based on a very natural method. Rice water is the secret. The secret to a strong, shiny and long hair originates in an ancient Chinese village called Huangguo. Called the Long Hair Village, the women of this place are known for their long, shiny, gray hair. Most of the women in this place have hair more than 1.4 meters and have even appeared in the Guinness Book of Records as the town with the longest hair. Fermented rice water. Yes, for many years, generations of Yao women have used the water where they cook the rice to wash their hair, which has resulted in that impressive beautiful hair. It has been a secret applied for centuries, even by princesses of very ancient times. How to make and use this old and cheap hair wash. 1. Wash a cup of rice to remove any dirt. 2. Place in a bowl and cover with water for 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. 3. Strain water into a plastic bottle. 4. Leave it at room temperature for a day or until it becomes slightly acidic and begins to ferment. 5. Pour in a pot, boil and let cool. 6. Add a few drops of essential oil of tea, lavender or rosemary. 7. Use this water as an alternative shampoo, massaging gently on your scalp and throughout your hair. 8. Rinse everything thoroughly. If you cook rice 2 or 3 times a week, you should be able to collect enough rice water for 2 or 3 washes.